Facts.
Bro, I really used to play ball. They told me high school I had a heart murmur. That's why I stopped playing basketball, bro. They told me I had a little hole in my heart. They forced diagnosed me. You could call my mom, yeah? Like, for real, bro. That shit really is crazy, bro. Cash, bro. Yeah, bro.
That's fire, chat.
Damn, bro.
That's fire, chat.
This is my biggest goal in my life, bro. Serious, bro. Serious, bro. I done had my offspring, bro. Like, yo.
Let's go. Let's go.
Wait, King, I'm about to get this tatted right now, King.
Oh yeah, you gotta get that tatted, gang. Wait, I don't even say James, nigga.
It's a crown.
What the?
Bro, that's fire, bro.
Okay, fuck it.
This him tatted.
You can't let this give him. Yeah, you gotta get tattooed.
Yo, he signed this.
That's wavy too. I ain't gonna lie.
He signed this.
Let me see it.
He signed this.
Yeah.
Yes. LeBron, he signed this.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
Yes. Carmelo Anthony took my jersey, never gave me a new one. LeBron signed it himself.
Yeah.
Thank you, LeBron.
Yeah.
Appreciate you.
Yeah.